video, we'll do an initial unboxing of Shoei's NXR2. So this is basalt gray. They have a lot of color variations, I believe. This NXR2 is also called the Z8. So this is size medium. So nagkamali ako sa Shoei dati nung first time ko magka-helmet. Nagkamali ako sa sizing kasi hindi pa ako masyadong marunong kung ano dapat yung paano mag-fit ng maayos. Okay? Pero this time I got it correct. Last time kasi large ako pero medium pala dapat size ko. Ayun, nandito na yung pinaka-helmet. We have the standard na helmet bag. Yung usual nila na helmet bag. So I got this sa Moto Market kasi this July nagsisale sila from 31,900 SRP. Ngayon nung nabili ko siya nasa 22,000 pesos na lang siya. Ang kasama naman sa box natin is yung pin lock. Yung pin lock kasi pinakabit ko na siya dun. Yung mga booklets ba, tapos meron din yung para dito sa chin. Kasi nga, hindi ko na siya pinakabit muna. So, ang napansin ko kaagad when testing out this helmet is sobrang gaan niya. Meron akong Shoei Neotech. I'll show you. So, ang sobrang laki ng difference talaga sa weight niya. 1,365 yung grams yung pinaka-weight niya. Tapos, with optional parts, magiging 1,400 grams. Pinaka-lock niya sa helmet is not the usual na quick release na lock. So, double loop siya. Hey guys, so basically, this will be just a very, very quick video on my helmet na Shoei NXR2. Kasi a while ago, I did the unboxing. Hindi ko pa na-mention how is it sa pinaka-riding experience natin. So here it is finally, so we can upload this video. Magaan siya. I love it. Overall experience, I love it. Pero kasi nasa break-in period pa. Parang right now, kung matagal ko siyang sinusuot, parang it squeezes my brains out. So medyo hindi siya comfortable pa. Pero I know it's going to break in because yung previous helmet ko na Shoei Neotech, after 1 year of usage, sobrang luwag na. As in, I think it's not even safe anymore to use it. If you have the cardo unit, you can actually have the clip-on kasi the shell, I think it's thin enough na pwede mong isingit yung cardo unit na hindi mo kailangan ng adhesive pa. Wind noise, nung nasa high speed na ako, meron eh. So, di ko alam how to... Parang sa Neotech ko, mas hindi pa siya ganun ka lakas yung wind noise. Pero I think tingnan ko, pero parang personally at speeds of 100, mayroon siyang wind noise pa rin eh. Although I think this one is rated, yung wind noise niya is rated very quiet na. As in, compared to others, tahimik na ata to. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys around.